And now guess what, Roblox Master? It's your turn. So I will be honest. Sorry, I just like ate my microphone. I am not the best builder in the world. So what aspect of a FPS do you need help with? Because I don't think I will be able to help you with the whole game. But if you have anything like that you need help with as far as scripting goes, okay, yeah, scripting. So one more thing, I'm not the best with tools, just to let you know straight off the bat. I've never really tried them, so maybe I could be okay. So real quick, I don't know if you knew this, if you want to lock the FPS, you can actually click on. So yeah, you actually don't have to script to lock the camera. That's all you have to do. So just to show you, I'll do it in this place. So we'll come down here. We'll change this from classic to lock first person. What else is there? Auto jump. Huh. Okay. So as you can see now when I spawn, I'm locked first person. So Roblox is actually built in functionality for FPSs. So does that answer your question? Do you have another question when it comes to FPSs? How do you make a loadout screen? Okay, that's a good one. I like that one. That's a great tutorial. Okay, so I'm just going to make a cheapo, quick GUI, but basically, so you can make yours look a lot nicer. But so now I will probably have to handle the actually changing the class on the server. So I'm going to need a remote event, change class, and then just for fun, I guess inside of the server storage, we will put a folder for each of the classes we want. So we'll call this one sniper. And then inside of that folder, I'll put a sniper rifle. And then inside of each of these buttons, I will be placing a LocalScript. And what the LocalScript needs to do is first it needs to get the event, just like we did with the pet thing. Wait, what did I call the folder? Oh, sniper. Wait, what am I doing? Change class. That's what I want. Now I will say script.parent.mouse button 1 down :connect function, and then we'll say event fire server, and then we'll just do script.parent.name. So what this does is it will call out to the server and say, hey, this kid clicked the change to sniper button, and it will all these buttons will be doing the same thing. They'll be calling this like change, where did I put it? They'll be calling this change class event. And so the reason we're passing this in is so that it knows which button was pushed. So it will pass in the name of the button. And then on the server, oops, I guess I can close this. Inside of the server script storage, which I think is what I clicked on. Yep. I will have a class changer, and it will say, we'll do basically the same thing. In fact, I'm just gonna copy this. the heck? Why isn't that working? Oh, because I was holding down Control, not Shift. So we'll do that, and then we'll say event on server. Oh, it's dot event dot on server event connect function. Then we will get the player that called the server, and we will also get the class that they want to become. Then we will simply say local class equals game get service. I guess we'll say ServerStorage. I'm dumb. Dot. Oh, FindFirstChild. Then we'll say class. And then so local guns equals class dot get children. And then we'll say I can send it to you if you join my Discord. I don't really have... Are you in my Discord? Sorry, I'm not used to everyone's like Twitch usernames. But yes, if you're in my Discord, I can send this to you. And then we'll say for gun in guns do, and then we'll say oh, sorry, I don't have a Discord command. That's a really good idea though. Let me grab the invite link really quick though. Where the heck is my mouse? There's my mouse. Okay, there's the link to my Discord. Sorry that took a second. I should set up a Discord command. That's a good idea though. That was fast. So anyways, we'll say gun dot parent equal gun clone dot parent equals player dot backpack, and then we'll say gun clone dot parent equals player dot starter pack. Is it starter gear? Oh yes, it's starter gear. So that way they'll get it when they respawn too. And now when I load up the game and I click on sniper, I should get a sniper, although I didn't have it close the menu, so that doesn't really help. So I guess we'll do this, and then we'll say script.parent destroy. So now when I click on sniper, I should get a sniper. And apparently I grabbed a sniper that doesn't work. So, but it would work if the sniper worked. Oh, and I guess I should show you. If I do click on sniper, it will still be with me after I respawn. So if I die, I will still have the sniper. And I guess, so you probably don't want this popping up every time the player respawns, so you'll need a separate script. So you'll need a separate script to handle only giving this at the start. If you need that script, I have a tutorial for stuff like that. Just look up my welcome, what do I call it? Welcome message. And it's basically the same idea. You just copy this into the player's starter thing. Or if you don't have any other GUIs, so that's a good point. So I think what you would want to do then is you would only want to change the player's camera type after they have spawned, after they have selected their class. So let me, so the way you would do that then is, crap, I just died. So sorry, I guess I should have helped you with this. So after they click on the button, you're going to want to go ahead and say player dot, is it camera, shoot, what was it? It was camera mode. So you'll say player.CameraMode equals, and then it's probably enumerated.CameraMode.LockFirstPerson. And then we will not set this to be this case. So we'll disable that. There we go. So now you can move your mouse when you spawn. Then you can click on it and it will lock you to first person. And then when you respawn, you'll keep your class. Well, if I ever respawn, you'll keep your class, but you'll also be locked in first person. Now, perhaps, let's say that I really want a sniper that works. Let me try to find a sniper that works. Will this one work? It's probably because I have filtering enabled on. But let's say that you want them to be able to choose a class every time they die. So in that instance, you would disable what I just, or enable what I just unchecked, which is reset on spawn on their screen GUI, so that this would reset every time they die. And then inside of the class changer, you would delete this line so they wouldn't get the sniper every time they respawn. And then you would also want to have a script that would reset their camera every time they died, which would just be something like really simple like this. So like char.Humanoid. No, it's like char.Humanoid.Died. This is a lot, huh? Then it's like player.CameraMode, that's what it was, equals Enum.CameraMode.Classic. Now if that works, that should give me a sniper that works this time, which is nice. I wonder if it'll kill these zombies. Apparently not, that's okay. And then if I die by the zombie, hopefully, yep, it resets my camera and I can click on stuff, but I'm getting mugged by zombies. So does that answer all your questions? So basically the way to make this work to add more classes is you would add a button, name the button the class name, and also inside of ServerStorage you would put a folder named the same thing with the tools you wanted to give that class. So does that make sense? I can still send you this place, but yeah, I made it so that they wouldn't have the sniper. So the only difference is you just wouldn't clone the gun into the starter gear of the player. So the way it is right now, like I showed you, if I were to click the sniper and then die, I fixed it so that I won't have the sniper, and then the class selection menu is up.